Welcome to Root Machines Week 9 updates. One more week before the game release. This game is being developed in association with HomeTeam GameDev. The link to join them is in the description below. As for the changes, well, it's just balancing and tweaks based on the feedback that I got from the playtesters. So it's playtime, and let's check out the few changes that I have done in the game. Basically, if I play the game, um, let's see. There, the UI, the gameplay UI is now no longer on hands, but it's separate and static UI, which actually makes it easy to spot it and see the values changing and all those things. There is also the separation of two projectiles, the burst and the single shot. Now they're different. Single shots are faster, bursts are slower, so therefore with single shots it's easier to hit or damage the blue drone as compared to with the burst, right? And the Rombas now do a lot of damage. I mean, they do faster damage compared to before. And yeah, this is a Bot is still a work in progress. No behavior for it yet, but we will probably just use the old states in combination with uh, one or two new states, or maybe just a change of projectiles for that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because, well, it's the last week and we gotta finish things up. And there's also lots of sound effects that are needed to be done. Okay, this guy is very dangerous. This drone needs to get better because it's okay. That's what I was talking about. It requires good amount of balancing. It's not an easy game. So yeah, we will definitely balance in this week, hopefully. And yeah, that is the game. And now let's move on for the next week. We are gonna do one wheeler bot states and behavior, and it's a work in progress. And of course, lots of sounds. Well, it's not that of a big of an issue because we can simply reuse a lot of sounds that are already there, and just tweak them and then apply them, right? But well, the most important thing that we gotta do next week is the tweaks, the polish, the balancing, and the bug fixes. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for your contributions and for watching the update. Actually, it's Eid for me, and I'm at my village with my slow laptop, with my potato laptop to say in incorrect words, I guess. Not even sure what I'm trying to say here, but yeah. It's Eid. Happy Eid to those who celebrate it, and I hope you guys are doing great. Goodbye, and have a nice time.